Hello students, welcome to your reading class. Today is Wednesday, September the 23rd, 2020. And today we're going to have a reading about gardens. Yes. So, we're going to read on page 23, Garden Starts. And there is a story about one woman or one lady. So I'm going to read for you. Mrs. Hanson scooped out rich, dark soil with her garden shovel. Then she reached for a small leafy plant gently took into the hole and put dirt around it. There you go, little guy, she said. I hope you are happy here and make lots of big juicy tomatoes. Slowly and stiffly, Mrs. Hanson stood up. Her back was sore and her hands were cramping. But she wasn't thinking about any of her aches and pains. Mrs. Hanson smiled at the neat rows of leafy lettuce, the teeny stars of now peas, and new little tomato plant. She was thinking about the crisp, cool salad and sweet tomato sandwiches she would enjoy later this summer. So she was thinking in her mind, with these tomatoes, with this lettuce, I can do all those things. So, you're going to finish with the reading. And at the end, you're going to work on page 24. Here you have two charts. In the first one, you're going to draft what Mrs. Hanson saw. So, she was in her garden, right? So she was in her garden and there were some helpers. So you're going to draw the helper of Mrs. Hanson and also the garden of tomatoes and lettuce. Then in the second chart, in the second square, you're going to draw what she was imagining. So she was imagining one sandwich, delicious tomato and lettuce sandwich. So you're going to draw a sandwich in the second picture. That was everything for today's reading class. Hope you enjoyed this reading about gardens, tomatoes, lettuce, and all the vegetables. And see you until next time. Keep safe at home. I'm sending a lot of hugs and kisses. Bye.